Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard. How old are you, Richard?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Good. Richard, I will play you a song and I will show you some pictures. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Very good. Great job. Let's begin, Richard. Now, can you sing the song?
Family, my family. This is my family, my family, my family. I am happy. My mom is me. I am happy. My dad is me. My son a baby. My family, my family. This is my family, my family, family. You are your family. My sister and my happy. I will hold you. I will be family, my family. This is a family, my family, family. You are me. My grandma, I happy. I my family. I see baby. Family, my family. This is my family, my family, family.
Well done. Very good. Great job. Excellent. Now, let's continue. Can you tell me, Richard, what is it?
This a robot.
What is it?
This a pencil case.
What is it?
This a fish.
What is it?
This a bench.
What is it?
It's a house.
It's a mat.
It's a mat.
What is it?
It's a van.
What is it?
It's a paintbrush.
Good. What is it?
It's a frost.
Well done. Now, Richard, I have got some pictures here. Now, can you tell me, where is the robot?
Robot.
Where is the mat? Put the robot next to the mat.
I choose.
Excellent. Well done, Richard. Now, where is the paintbrush? Paintbrush. Good. Put the paintbrush under the mat. Under the mat. Yes. Well done. Under. Very good. Now, where is the van? Where is the frog? Where is the fig? Put the frog between the van and the fig. Very good. Excellent. Great job. Now, where is the bed? Where is the pencil case? Put the pencil case under the bed. Excellent. Well done, Richard. Now, let's continue. Now, can you tell me, what is it?
It's a rubber.
What is it?
It's a pen.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's a bag.
What is it?
It's a ruler.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a pencil case.
Very good. Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Very good. Now, can you tell me the letter sound and the words? Let's begin.
Yes. You are sun.
Very good. Here you are.
O a dog.
Good.
I eat weed.
Very good.
You are jump.
Good. Jump.
Jump.
Excellent.
I eat weed.
Very good.
O a laugh. I eat fish.
Now, can you tell me, what do you see?
I see a book.
What color is the book?
I green.
Very good. Is it red?
Yes.
Is it red?
No, it isn't.
Very good. Well done. What do you see?
I see
I see a
present.
Very good. What do you see?
I see a umbrella.
Very good. Well done. How do you say an?
An.
See. Very good. I see an umbrella. Now, can you tell me which country is Katya from?
See from Russia.
Which country is Adele from?
He from Egypt.
Which country is Mateo from?
He from Mexico.
Which country is Pam from?
She from Great Britain.
Great job, well done, very good, excellent. Now, who's that?
That is my grandma. That is my brother. That is my grandpa.
Who's this?
This is my dad. This is my mom. This is my sister.
Well done, Richard, very good. Now, Richard, can you talk about your mom?
My mom is hung. She can cook. She can swim. She is beautiful and funny.
Excellent, well done, Richard, great job. Now, Richard, let's use the words are or am. Now here, what is it?
Is an apple.
What is it?
Is a ball.
Very good. What is it?
Is an orange.
What is it?
Is an umbrella.
What is it?
Is an paintbrush.
It's a.
Is a paintbrush.
Very good. What is it?
Is a bed.
Well done. Very good. Now, here. Now, can you tell me how are they feeling? How is he feeling and how is she feeling? Number one, how are they feeling?
They are angry.
Number two, how is she feeling?
She sad.
Now, how is he feeling? Number three.
He
Is?
is cold.
Very good. Number four, how are they feeling?
They are hungry.
Hungry. Number five, how is she feeling?
She feeling thirsty.
She isn't.
She isn't thirsty.
Thirsty. Very good. Well done, Richard. Now, can you tell me, Richard, what can they do and what can they do?
They can climb. She can jump. He can swim. They can ride bike. He can talk.
Very good.
He can cat. They can sing.
Very good.
He can kick a ball. He can run. They can walk.
Excellent.
He can listen. He can. She can hear.
She can see.
He can see. He can ride a horse.
Very good. Horse. Well done, Richard. Great job. Excellent. Now, I will give my comments about Richard. Richard did very well today. That's very impressive. He's improved in a short space of time, and that's very exceptional. I would say well done to Richard, and I would say excellent. And well done. Great job. Very good. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.